Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about wastewater purification working model. So let us understand what is all about wastewater purification. We normally use in our daily consumption water in our houses, in factories, and so on. And what happens is once we use the water, we are going to throw that water to our drainages, and that water we are not recycling. What is happening, we are just wasting that water, and that is leading to the various types of pollutions. Hence in this working model we are trying to explain you how can we reuse the water which was sent into the drainages. How can we recycle that water by using different methods? Here we are trying to use four-stage water purification, and how we can purify the water. And once the purified water, how can you use for non-potable purposes like growing garden or agricultural purposes, which we can use for as a non-potable water for all these purposes. So all the individual houses, factory water output has gone into this water tank, where we are storing all the wastewater. Now, by using this water pump, we are going to pump the water to this filtration unit. This is a four-stage filtration unit. In the first stage filtration unit, we have used the big gravel. In the big gravel, what happens? Here, the leaves, bigger particles are getting filtered out in the big gravel. In the small gravel, again further purification will happen. All the small particles it get purified here, and next level here is the third level is sand purification. Here all fine grain things will get settled here only. Only purified water will go further in the next stage, which is tissue paper or cotton we can use in this stage. Here further purification will happen, and the purified water will get stored in this, and further the big tank we are storing all the purified water in this, and we will be using or we will be reusing this water non-potable purpose, such as gardening plants, or our agricultural fields where we wanted to grow trees. In such places we are using all this reusable water. Now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works. So now I'm going to explain how this working model really works. We are going to switch on the motor. Now when we switch on the motor, the water will come to the first stage, which is big gravel. Then it moves to small gravel, then to the sand, then it comes to the tissue paper or cotton. From there it is getting further purified as a final stage of purification. This purified water will get stored in this water tank. So if you can see here, this is the final stage of purification where purified water is getting stored, and this is further has been sent to the bigger water tank, where we are going to store all the purified water which can be used for non-potable purpose, for our gardening or even vehicle washing. For all those purposes we can use this recycled water. So I hope you guys got a clarity how this entire working model really works. What is the concept of recycling the wastewater? Everything I have explained in this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.